Welcome my friends and teachers. Please, I want to do a demonstration which shows when you increase resistor what happens to the voltage and what happens to the current. I'm going to do the connection for you to know. The first one I have is this 2 ohm resistor, which I'm showing you now comes with this particular design. Now I'm going to connect my ammeter in series, remember, and I'm going to connect my voltmeter in parallel. That's the ammeter. Now let's see what happens. And that is my cell. I'm going to connect the cell to the key. That's the first thing. Then connect the battery, the cell, to the 2 ohm resistor. Then connect the key back to the ammeter in series. The connection is made according to instruction. Unless you're a professional, you can just follow and do the way you like, but based on the rules and principles. Then I connect everything back to the ammeter, that is the 2 ohm resistor, and that's the line it follows to form a closed circuit, though I have not closed my key. Now look at this voltmeter. I'm going to connect it in parallel or across the 2 ohm resistor. If you look at it across the 2 ohm resistor. And ammeter must always be connected in series. Very, very important. If there is anything you don't understand about connecting in series and parallel, you have to show me. You have to comment on the comment section. I will answer you. Now look at when I close the key, look at the voltmeter and the ammeter recorded 2.5 volts and 1 ammeter. Now I'm going to connect another resistor in series, and when I do that, I have increased the resistance to 4 ohms in this circuit. And when that happens, we are going to see what happens to the voltmeter and what happens to the ammeter as recorded. This is pure experiment for you to know. I have increased it. This is now 4 ohm resistor connected in the circuit. So what I'm going to do now is to connect the voltmeter also across the 4 ohm resistor, and I'm going to close the key for us to see what happens when I close the key. Now the key is closed. You see what happened? The current has decreased while the voltmeter has increased to 2.7 and current has reduced by half. This is what happens when we connect them in series. I mean the resistors, when I connect them in series, and also they will give you a different reading when I connect them in parallel. But further videos, I'm going to show you what happens when you connect resistors in parallel, as I have shown you what happens in series now. Thank you for this short time with me. Remember, you have to subscribe to this channel, also share and like, and also discuss with your friends. Also remember, you can also follow me on TikTok on @VINDAL05, @VINDAL05. More of calculations I will come. I really want to do this next one by increasing the resistor to 6 ohms. Increase the resistance to 6 ohms. But if you do that, there will be no recording, because the voltmeter may not have the capacity to record it based on the kind of voltmeter I'm using. The reading, you can see the reading there. There was no reading recorded because the voltmeter is not enough to record it. Thank you, and please always watch.